What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going over Marinade or MNDE, which is up 0.6% today at 35 cents. We have a $91 million market cap with 257 million coins in circulation out of 1 billion. So 25% of the coins are already out in circulation. All-time high on this coin is 2 years ago at 254. We're down 85% from that all-time high, but that's nothing to really worry about. We're heading to the parabolic phase of the bull run. So usually coins don't really run to the end. All-time low was a year ago. If you would have bought on October 17th, 2022, you'd be up 179x on your investment. Absolutely disgusting. Currently available on the following exchanges: Gate.io, Coinbase, KuCoin, Bitmart, Radium, CoinX, Crypto.com, Orca, Jupiter, and then a second page right here of more Jupiter. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Marinade. All right, everybody, let's get into Marinade. So CoinGecko says all-time high was 2 years ago at 254, but the charts are showing the all-time high was December 2023. I'm actually looking at the right chart too. This is 35 cents. That is 35 cents. So I don't know where the discrepancy came from there, but we actually hit an all-time high in 2023, and we're actually looking pretty primed to take out that all-time high, in my personal opinion. If you draw from the high to the low on the day chart, from the all-time high to the all-time low, we are above the 786, which is bullish. If we start drawing our smaller fibs, which is this initial run up to the bottom right here, that 618 came in big support for us throughout the beginning of 2024. Now our only area of concern is overtaking that 786 here at around 37 cents. You can see that has rejected us once, twice, three, four, five, looks like 6 different times when we're trying to overtake it. So keep an eye on the 786 at about, what's it at about, I would say about 38 to 40 cents. Write that down on a sticky note. If you're driving, write it on the dust on your dash. I don't care where you write it, but remember, 40 cents for Marinade. If we overtake 40 cents of Marinade, that's when we're to start seeing some very, very bullish movement to the upside. Now, we've been bullish since February 27th on this coin, having a very, very nice step up pattern. This is a beautiful chart right here. Step up pattern is the most bullish chart pattern you can ever see. When you have straight run ups like this, look what usually follows: straight capitulations. Step up patterns can continue throughout the entire bull run: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That is called a step up pattern. So us already running into that, I think it's going to be a pretty easy case to overtake that 786. I think that is the play right now. MACD is bullish right now. The RSI does have room to run, just like the chart. The RSI is putting in higher highs and higher lows, but the only concern is we did just put in a lower high, so we'll have to see how that plays into the chart. Now WTX isn't in the red. We kind of touched the red and we started deviating down, but we have not printed a sell signal yet, and we still are holding our very, very steep uptrend right here. So I'd be keeping an eye on the movement, probably into that red area on the WTX. So in my personal opinion, I think we have a good chance at overtaking 40 cents and heading up to possibly some new higher highs here pretty soon. And if we draw from this high to this low right here, that contender is the 618 at 44. So I'm going to draw a box between 40 and then 44, and that is going to be your area of resistance that you have to overtake. If you can't get above 40 to 44 cents, then oh shoot, and then you're probably going to see a pretty decent correction. So we're going to draw a box here, starts at 40 or 44, ends at 40. We're going to make this red so it looks ominous and scary. And that's what we're going to keep an eye on right here, guys. Just getting over that box at around 40 to 44 cents. I think that's our next stop. So something like this is going to be the play. Probably up here, might get rejected, put in a higher low, continue step up pattern, high, low, high, low, high, low, low, high, low, and then rally out. So I think once we get over 40, 45 cents, this red box, that's when Marinade will start going absolutely parabolic. So Marinade's looking pretty dang good in my personal opinion. It's not bad whatsoever. And then if you drop from the high to the low of the prior bull run to bear market bottom, the 1618 is all the way up here to around $2. So I would be keeping an eye on a possible $2 top during the bull run. But if you actually extend it down to the scam wick here, this goes all the way up to 5. So Marinade, I'll say it. I think there is a possibility of us going to $5, especially with only a $91 million market cap. Easily doable in the bull run, easily doable in the parabolic phase. So that's currently at 11x from where we're currently at. So I do think 11x for Marinade is definitely in play here. What we really want to focus on, though, I know it's a little bit of hopium. You just need to focus on the short term of overtaking your all-time high. So hopefully this was informative for you guys. And if you have any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.